In an era where staying digitally connected is paramount, the eSIM revolution has transformed the way we manage our mobile connections. Ditch the physical card, download your eSIM, and experience a phone that's as flexible as you are. This guide is your playbook to set up eSIM on Pixel phones and unlocking dual SIM superpowers, seamless plan switching, and a future-proof mobile experience. Ready to play? Let's go! First things first, let's make sure your carrier is playing nice with eSIM. Not all mobile operators have embraced this digital revolution yet, so a quick check-in with their website or a friendly customer service rep is wise. With confirmation in hand, it's time to dive into the setup process. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Begin the eSIM setup journey by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the settings app. It's usually a familiar gear-shaped icon that holds the key to customizing your device. Once you're in the settings, find the network and internet option. This section is the nexus of your device's connectivity settings, housing everything from Wi-Fi configurations to mobile network preferences. Within the expansive network and internet section, pinpoint the SIMs option and open it. Tap on the Add SIM option and proceed to the next step by tapping Download a new eSIM. This action initiates the process to acquire a digital SIM card that can be configured according to your carrier's specifications. Congratulations, Pixel Pioneer! You've successfully transitioned to the world of eSIM. Now go forth and enjoy the newfound freedom. Swap plans with ease and travel the world without juggling SIM cards. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.